Hello friends, it's Tati here. Thank you for joining me. So today I'm going to be unboxing my new skate protective gear, showing you my Impala roller skates, and showing you my favorite skate accessory. Yay! So let's get into it. So Impala, the brand where I did get my skates from, does have some cute ones, but I found cuter ones on Amazon. They had better colors and it was more affordable. We love a good deal. So this one includes wrist guards, knee pads, and elbow pads. I've been skating pretty much weekly for about a month now. Yay! I'm learning how to skate this year, so I need to be safe. I've only taken a few falls and luckily only been scratches, but this will make me feel a lot more comfortable now that I have some protective gear on. Hey, and I want to also showcase my rose gold skates in this video. They're Impala brand, as I mentioned, but I'm not doing a review because I just started relearning how to skate about a month ago, so give me a few more months and then I'll show you more. Actually, before I talk about my skates, I'm going to talk about my IMPALA Heart-Shaped Bag. It's so cute and it holds my skates, and I just think the color's adorable. Has a cute little hook here. Little breathable room there. Backpack straps as well. Adorable. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Also forgot to say that it also comes with cute little shoulder straps, so you can connect them and then swing the bag over your shoulders. But yeah, so let's see my skates now. They sit in here. Has two little zippers. Zip it down. Zip it down. And my skates are here. Perfect. I love rose gold, so yay! Got my skates, got my bag, got my protective gear. I'm ready to skate for today. Thank you for joining me and watching my video. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye, friends.